Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a group chat in Slack. First, open your Slack app. Once it's open, go to the left-hand side where you see the Direct Messages section. Now click on it. This will show you a list of all your direct message conversations. Next, to start a group chat, click on the New Message icon located in the top right corner. This is where you can add people for direct messages. Type in the names of the people you want in the group. For example, you can add John and Sarah to the group. Once you've selected the people, go ahead and type your first message in the chat. For example, you could say, "Hey, this is our new group." When you send the message, you'll see that Slack automatically creates the group for you. You will now see the group chat on the left-hand side of your screen under Direct Messages. And that's it. You've successfully created a group chat in Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.